Hello, friends. Today we are talking about the famous speech of Swami Vivekananda. On September 11, 1893, Swami Vivekananda delivered his historic speech at the opening session of the Parliament. He began with the now famous salutation, Sisters and Brothers of America. These greetings, filled with warmth and universal brotherhood, evoked a thunderous standing ovation that lasted for several minutes. It was a moment of triumph not just for Vivekananda but for the idea of religious unity. Vivekananda was from that day onwards is the powerful known person from the all youths, and everybody is following him throughout the world until now. Thank you for seeing this. I hope you liked it. Thank you.